arrow pepper. So I have my seasoning. I'm going to add it. Vegetable oil. Then we're going to blend this. Onions, pepper, vegetable oil, and fresh garlic. Onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, paprika. Then we mix it up. So look at our chicken. Look at that beautiful stock. We are going to cook rice. In this video, I'm going to be baking the rice instead of cooking it in a pot. Okay, so we are going to bake rice. Okay, I'm going to take it off. You don't want it to break. Okay, so I'm using so soft. Using the knife. Right. I want it to shatter. Right. Yeah. So we're going to remove all the bones and then use the stock for the rice. So here is our stock. I have to strain it, okay, from the chicken. So we are going to bake our rice in the oven. Add the rice. So I'm going to cover this with a foil and then I will start baking. So our baked rice is ready. All right, this is our baked rice. One thing good about baking your rice is that it absorbs everything and it's fluffy, and also it's fluffy when you bake your rice and also properly cooked. It doesn't get burnt easily. Okay, it doesn't get burnt. So look at that. Look at how fluffy it is. It happens when you bake your rice. So today we prepared baked rice, plain rice, and baked chicken. You can also add your vegetables, okay, like green peas, carrots, anything you want to add. Alright, but I did it plain today because my children are picky. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. Subscribe and share. Let's plate our food.